That's watching the video, and here's the step. So with your OKX account, make sure you verify it so that you know it will help get you access to most of the features on OKX. So if you haven't verified your OKX, just check the comment section of the description, know how you can verify your OKX account. Okay, and now let's look at how you can deposit on your OKX. Just in case you want to also know how you can withdraw from your OKX to your bank account or your Momo, yes, there is a video that you can also watch. Check in the comment section or the description of the video and know how you can do that. Now let's start with this. And before we start, just give me a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos. If you face any issue, just leave it down in the comments and I'll help you out with it. Let's start with it and let's go.
There are two ways of depositing on your OKX account. And if you're a new user, when you just deposit, you'll get some amount up to 50 USD for free. And know that as a new user, you have some time frame that you need to do this. Okay, so let me show you how you can deposit. As I said, there are two ways. So on the top left corner, tap on it right here, the dot right there, just tap on it and make sure your account is verified. After that, you just try this out. So in case your account is not verified, check in the comment section or the description of the video. There is a video that you can just watch and know how you do it. Okay, so yes, tap on the dot right there. When you tap on the dot, you come to this side where we have the manage asset. You can see we have the deposit, we have the withdraw, and then we have the P2P trading. So the first one that we look at, after that we look at the second one is the deposit. Okay, when you tap on the deposit, then you will select the type of crypto that you want to deposit. Mostly it is USDT, BTC, or other one. Okay, but we will select the USDT, or you can search it right here. So you search it, let's say USDT. Okay, then you select it, and then you will select the type of deposit network, whether TRC20, ERC20, or anyone. Just look through and select your choice. So let's say USDT TRC20, then you tap on it to select, and then it will give you the address. Okay, so you just need to tap this to copy your address, and then you share it to your friends or anyone. Okay, and then they will just make payment through your address to your account. That will be a deposit process. Okay, and you can deposit to either your funding, or so when you tap on this right here, whether your funding or your trading. So mostly funding is selected. Okay, so make sure it is at funding. Then you share your address right here. After that, the person will make payment and then you will get it into your account. Now that's the first one. Now the second one, let's go into it right now. But if you haven't liked, just like the video and make sure you follow us for more videos right here on this platform. So we have the second one, which is the P2P trading. So you tap on P2P trading. Okay, so I tap on it. So when you come to this side, we have the buy and then we have the sell. You are going to deposit, so you go for the buy. I'll show you how you can withdraw, or check in the comment section or the description of the video. The video will be there for you to know how you can withdraw from your account to your Momo or bank. Everything will be there in the comment section or description. Okay, check it out. Now we have the buy, and then we have the agent right here. So we are going to deposit through your bank or through your Momo, any option. Okay, so at the top where we have the buy, downwards we have the USDT. First select your crypto, whether USDT coins or BTC or Ethereum. Okay, any one of your choice, you select that one, but I'll go for USDT. That is mostly the basic crypto that everyone is using. Okay, and then we have the amount that you want to deposit. So you will just tap on the amount. That one will give you a selective agent who deal with the price. Okay, so let's say 500. No, let me. So it's this one is in Ghana cedis. Okay, so maybe I want to buy 700. Okay, then I will tap on the enter. So it will give me people who trade within that limit. Okay, then we have the payment method right here. Then we tap on the payment method. Then I will select I want to make deposit through MTN mobile money. Okay, we have Momo. Momo is different from MTN mobile money. And then when you scroll down from here, we have the bank transfer. Any other options are also here. So you select that one and then you will tap on the apply right here. That one will filter and give you people who deal with the mobile money, so that you don't need to scroll down, be searching for, you get it. So yes, make sure you are at the right limit that you want to deposit on your account. Okay, yes, or you can just search through if in case you don't want to make it simple like this. Okay, you can just come here, you scroll through, and then you select any one of your choice. Okay, so when you come to this side, the amount, your currency will be here. Okay, because when you were registering, you chose a particular country. Okay, so the country currency will be here, showing you that 1 USDT. So we selected USDT. 1 USDT is equal to 16.23. Okay, yes, we have this right here. And then the agent, okay, the agent has 311.40 USDT in his account or in her account. Okay, and then we have this, and with this one the person can help you deposit any amount between 50 cedis to 2,000 Ghana cedis, and with hours that we selected is 70 Ghana cedis, so it's between this. Okay, that's why we still have this person right here. So you can just check through before you want to deposit, then you will know how you go about it, or selecting it right here will be very simple, but it's all your choice. Okay, so when you get agents that you want to help you deposit on your account, okay, then you tap on the buy. So I tap on the buy, and then it will come to this side. You enter the amount that you want to buy, okay, whether in crypto or in Ghana cedi. So when you go to the quantity, to give you crypto option, that's the USDT, and then we have the amount that will give you Ghana cedi. So let's say I want to deposit let's say 50 USDT, okay, and then when you come to the amount, you will see the cost right here. Okay, so that's it. So the quantity and then the amount, everything will be showing right here. So we are going to pay this amount through our MTN mobile money. Okay, and then the agent is this, and then you also see whether the agent is online or offline. Okay, you can also check it. Let's go back a little. You can also check it right here. Okay, so you can see there is a green dot, and with this one there is no green dot right here. That means the person is offline. So don't go for people who are offline, otherwise it will delay. So we have this also online, and then we have other a lot. This one is offline, so just look through, go for someone who is online. Okay, then you make the deposit. Okay, you look down here, you could see buy USDT with 0 fees. Okay, then you tap on it to proceed. So to proceed, yes, so you tap on I have read and agreed and asked. So you make sure this is ticked down here, and then you tap on confirm. Tap on the buy USDT with 0 fees again. So safeguard your P2P trade. Okay, scammers are around, so make sure you always confirm before you just do one or two things. Okay, so yes, we have this side right here, we have the chat, and then you can also call the agent. Okay, well, let's go to the chat. Mostly that's where we talk with them. So you will drop your Momo number because you chose mobile money, and then you allow cash out, and then the person will just make a deposit on your account for you. Okay, and then you call this number. So this person has left his contacts right here, and then you call that person if the person is offline. Okay, so my number was sent, and then also I allow cash out, and this is what is coming. Okay, so you could see Insuraba Joe, that is the name, as you can see at the background. Okay, so yes, make sure everything is the same. Okay, don't, just beware. Okay, just be vigilant, open your eyes, and then you enter your Momo pin right here. After that, you tap on yes to approve the transaction. Okay, all right, so we have sent the money to the person, and then the person will deposit into our OKX account. Then you can just come in the chat, and then you tap on done. But anyway, you are done with the payment, so just go back. Okay, so when you go back, look down here, and then we have the get payment details. Okay, already we have sent the money. Okay, but first you need to come to this side before you proceed with it. So you go to this side. Okay, so you come to this side. Okay, let's go back and let me show you something. Tap on the get payment details, and then you swipe through right here. You tap on OK, then you tap on I have paid. So after making payment, don't just leave there. Come to this side and tap on I have paid. Okay, then you upload payment proof to confirm you've paid. So the payment message that comes, you take a screenshot of it, then you upload it right here, and then you tap on the plus to send it to your gallery. You have to also give OKX access to your photos so that they can pick the image right there. So just in case you see something like this, just give it access. You can go for allow, or you can go for allow limited access. So to send it straight to your gallery, you pick the image, and then you tap on the confirm payment. Okay, so we have confirmed the payment, and let's wait for some time. Let's go to the chat. So with the chat, yes, check the payment, check out the payment proof attached. Okay, so yes, we have paid. Okay, we have paid. So we have sent a screenshot, and all that we need to do is to wait right here. So you wait right here, and then payment will be confirmed. So make sure you don't cancel the order. Don't cancel the order. Okay, so when you look at the top, you have cancel order. Kindly don't cancel it. Just wait for some time, and then it will be deposited. Okay, so you rate the experience. This was positive. It was not stressful. Okay, then you tap on the submit. All right, so you could see if I 50 USDT, your crypto has been deposited on your funding account. Okay, so we are done with the depositing. How you can deposit with it? There is it. So you just go back. Okay, you just go back, go back to your account, and now you could see 50.06 USDT in your account. Okay, so now look at the top left corner. Okay, top left corner, tap on it. Okay, tap on it where we came, and then tap on the P2P trading. Okay, scroll down from here, scroll down, and then come to reward and perks, and tap on the campaign center. Tap on it. When you tap on the campaign center, this is where you'll be seeing the tasks that you need to do to get gift as well, or get reward up to 50 USDT. So we have the first one, sign and verify, and then you tap on the claim reward down here. After tapping on it, wait for some time, and then you can see task completed. Here is a reward. We tap on it to open, and what do we have here? Congrats, you just received an 8 USDT rebate card. Okay, then you tap on the view card right here. Then you can see we have 8 USDT, so you can trade with this. Okay, you can trade with it. Now let's go back, and then we have the second one right here. We have claim reward. Okay, then you tap on it, and then let's see how much we will get as well. So with this one too, we got 4 USDT rebate card. Then you go to view reward, and then it will also be here. So now we have we have this, and then we have that. Okay, and they all come with expiring date. Okay, so you can see we have expire in 6 days, and then we have expire in 6 days as well. So both of these will expire in same day. So before you claim it, make sure you're ready, but it's also have time. Okay, so make sure you also make sure you focus more on this. Okay, so before you claim it, be ready that this is not going to take the whole year, just some up to 10 days or 12 days, and then it will expire. Okay, then you start trading with it.